Hi guys, Vlad here. Today I have for you a nice and common repair that we get here. It's iPhone X with no Wi-Fi. So let's watch it. So I have iPhone X here from different shop. Let's see, 342020. They say on the back this phone has no Wi-Fi, and I see I have no Wi-Fi. Right, settings. Yeah, Wi-Fi address is unavailable. So what could that be? Is that a board split, or is that faulty Wi-Fi chip? So let's open it up and check. So what we have here, we have motherboard that is pretty flat. Phone as well has all original parts, seals never been removed, screen was not replaced. So I guess the phone is fine, and that we have a Wi-Fi failure. Okay, let's remove the sticker. That's it, stickers out. Right. Let's check the connections. I forgot to film it properly, so what I'm doing there now is I check the connections are fine, both sides there, nothing is broken. So my next idea is to do a rebuild of the Wi-Fi chip. So if after rebuild this will not work, I will have to lift up the NAND and unlock the Wi-Fi there, so I can replace it. Okay, Wi-Fi is out. I tried to remove it on the lowest temp possible. So, area prepared. Now we clean the Wi-Fi chip. So rebuild is done. Yeah, so this is the Wi-Fi chip. we'll be putting that there. Maybe we'll do a quick clean before I put. That's will do. Remove this thingy, remove that thingy. Let's position that correctly. Something like this, I would say. Maybe a little bit closer to here, in line with that EEPROM. Something was happening with camera that day, but the last part that I didn't show there is how to position that in place and reflow. So that's done. Now you will be seeing how I test. So phone is coming on. I reboot the Wi-Fi IC. It's 342020. Yeah, I unlock the phone. And we have Wi-Fi working. That's it. So just Wi-Fi rebel. Yeah, toggle. We don't have antennas connected, but actual Wi-Fi is working. Yeah, one more thing I would check. As we worked close to modem, I would check if we have modem firmware. Yeah, we do have modem firmware. That means that the modem is not damaged or not overheated. I have IMEI number. That's very good. So now I will do the board layer there. Solder melted already. I see how it's moved, but I still keep going just in case some other part didn't melt. That's it. I check from a side, and that's nice and flat. I turn preheater off, and now we wait till it cools down, and now we test. And we power the phone on. Phone came straight away on. Touch working. 342.020. Touch working. That's good. We have Wi-Fi, and we have Wi-Fi available. That's about right. Let's connect to one. Yeah. We have Wi-Fi connectivity, okay. Open Google, Google works, yeah. And that's it. So, I will end this repair here. So, hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.